This is Anthony from GK Solar Technology, and today I'd like to introduce you about our 100% solar energy air conditioner. This model is 12,000 BTU and composed with 4 components. This is the indoor unit, and this is the outdoor unit. Inside can be installed with the DC48V voltage high quality compressor, which is the Panasonic brand, and it will has with the solar PV panels, batteries, and controller all together. And how it works? During the sunny days, the solar panel can generate the power for DC compressor working, and it can produce the cooling air from here. We just have a small control, very convenient and very easy for the controlling the temperature and the working mode. Yes, it's very easy. We also have a 24 voltage model, and the consumption is smaller. And there is many other advantages, like a brushless DC motor. The DC motor allows bi-rotation control, which reduces energy consumption, and the DC motor also provides improvements in operational efficiency of up to 35% compared to an AC motor. Yes. So if you are from some regions with lack of electricity, this air conditioner is recommendable for your choice. Okay, thank you.